Hello everyone, welcome to another demo. So in this video I'm going to demo these two really cool origami musical notes by Jeremy Shafer. And this is a treble clef, and this is a Swiss, I forgot the name of this one, but it's this note. And it kind of works like it's an origami Swiss Army knife. Because see, this one's really cool. This is an action model. You can put the things inside like this. See? And then you can take them back out. How cool is that? And this one is actually for his members only, so you have to be a member of his channel. And it's like $5 a month, just like mine. And this one is for his public. This is the treble clef from an uncut square. This is from 1 square foil, no cutting. And it's really cool. And yeah. And this one's not really an action model, but I think it looks really cool. And these two models, this model I folded from a 6-inch square of kami from the brand Daiso, and this origami treble clef I folded from a 7-inch square of foil that comes with this package of 7-inch kami, also from the brand Daiso. And these are the results. Yep, and I think both of these models are amazing. And like I said earlier, you have to be a member of his channel to fold this model. But this one's for his public, so I'll put this model up in the card right here if you want to learn how to fold it, and it's in the description below. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and if you liked it, give it a like, and also, I appreciate any comments down below of what you think about this video. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe, so that way you'll get notified every time I launch a new video. Alright, see you guys later.